carrot dear, shining bright and tall. Crunchy, crunchy veggie says, come and eat me all. Tomato, tomato, round and cute and red. Put me in a salad bowl, I'm everyone's best friend. Potato, brother potato, soft and yummy treat. Boil me, fry me, mash me up, I'm fun in every bite you eat. Green chili, careful I'm spicy. Eat a teeny tiny bit or I'll make you jumpy dicey. Eggplant king is saying, don't forget my name. Curry any dish, I bring flavor to the frame. Corn is popping loudly, pop, pop, pop I go. Roast me, toast me, pop me up, I'm a dancing yellow show. Spinach queen is singing, green and fresh and fine. Eat me up for iron strong on the mighty veggie vine. Broccoli is cheering, health is what I bring. Morning, evening, every day I'll make your body sing. All veggies singing together, kids just hear us say, eat your veggies every day, grow strong in every way. Kav&Av, tune stories and rhymes for happy times. Kav&Av, tune stories and rhymes for happy times.